Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-150, 2004 to 2008? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2004 to 2007 Ford F-150 contains fuses and relays for interior features such as power windows, audio system, interior lighting, and the instrument cluster. It helps protect circuits from overloads or shorts. Fuse ratings and functions are labeled for identification. It allows for quick replacement in case of electrical faults. The 2008 Ford F-150 passenger compartment fuse box manages circuits for interior systems like the radio, power windows, dome lights, and instrument panel. It includes a variety of fuses and relays, each assigned to specific functions. Clearly labeled fuse positions help with easy troubleshooting and replacement. It serves to protect electrical components from damage due to overloads or short circuits. Auxiliary relay box. The 2004 Ford F-150 auxiliary relay box contains relays for additional systems like trailer tow battery charge and trailer tow lamps. It helps power these systems safely and reliably. The 2005 to 2008 Ford F-150 auxiliary relay box manages extra electrical functions like trailer tow battery, charging, and trailer tow lights. It contains relays that control high-power circuits safely. This setup supports reliable operation of towing and auxiliary systems. It also helps protect these circuits from electrical overloads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, Low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.